Hello! Today, we are learning about the connection between Aware and Beacon for assessment administration. Beacon integrates with Aware, enabling you to plan assessment timelines, collaborate on instruction, and quickly access Aware to proctor exams, all from within your planner. Open Beacon when you are ready to begin online tests for students and go from your planner to the assessment administration window with a single click. From My Planner, select a prep on a day you plan to administer an assessment. To establish a connection between the Aware and Beacon applications, your prep will need to be associated with a roster of students. To verify or add roster sections, select Edit Prep. From the Roster Sections dropdown, select a roster section to link students to the prep. From the dropdown, you can also see the number of sections connected to the prep. A checkmark next to a roster section indicates it is associated with the selected prep. Select Apply to save any changes. Now you are ready to search for aligned content. The Curriculum Explorer in the Planner allows you to connect course-related or cross-curricular content to your plans without leaving your planning workspace. The Curriculum Explorer contains standards, lessons, resources, strategies, and when integrated with Aware, assessments. In the Curriculum Explorer, select Assessments from the dropdown, select a prep or everything. This will display assessments by title and show connected standards. In order for an assessment to appear in the Curriculum Explorer, all of the following must be true. The test has questions. The test is active. The test is set to online test proctoring. The test in Aware and Prep and Beacon are associated with the same roster sections. Once you've located the assessment, simply drag it from the Curriculum Explorer and drop it directly into a block on your prep. Now the assessment is linked to your plan, you'll be able to see it with your other lesson materials. A warning icon next to a linked assessment in your planner indicates that the link is broken because one of the requirements has not been met. For example, online test proctoring may be turned off for an assessment. In this case, the assessment chip will not open the test administration page in Aware. When it's time to administer the assessment, you don't have to leave your planner. The linked assessment is a live component. Click on it in your lesson plan to launch the test in Aware. This will open assessment administration in a new tab, making it easy to begin online testing with your students. We'll share more about online test proctoring within Aware in another video. Thanks for watching this overview of the Beacon and Aware connection for assessment administration. See you next time.